What?
Wait for it.
Wait for it.
Bird.
Huh?
A bird. Yeah.
Yeah.
A bird. Dog.
Yep.
A dog. Dog.
Uh-huh. What are you doing?
Baba. Big.
Huh?
Big dog.
Sounds like they're wrestling. I think they're going to get in trouble. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, dog.
You're all done what?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm serious.
You're serious?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing. A dog licking you.
What?
A dog. Dog is the two fish.
Dogs and 2 fish?
Yeah.
Except for we have 4 fish.
A 4 fish.
Yeah.
And look, a more fish.
Yep. Oh, those fish, yeah. I thought you meant in the fish tank. We have 4 fish in the fish tank.
It's just 2 fish.
1,
2.
1, 2, 3. 3. Nope, keep these 2 together. 3. 3. 4. 5.
6.
1, 2, 3. 3. Yep, that's 3. Okay, 3. 3. 4. Put this one up. 4. 5. Yeah, work. Good job.
2 fish.
Yeah.
A 1 fish.
Uh-huh.
A 2 head.
Oh. Do you know what you want to be when you get big? What do you want to do when you grow up?
Dog was.
You're going to have strong muscles?
Uh-huh.
What else? Are you going to be a fireman like Uncle Casey?
No, about Lightyear.
You're going to be Buzz Lightyear?
Yeah.
I thought you were Buzz Lightyear now. What about when you get to be a big Parker?
What?
Right now you're a little Parker. What about when you're big?
No.
Are you going to fix cars like Troy?
No.
Are you going to work at the store like Grandma?
No.
No. Are you going to sell cars like Aunt Brandy?
No.
No. Are you going to be an astronaut and go to the moon?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah? That sounds fun, huh?
Yeah, cool.